The automatic purge valve on a Pelican storm case is crucial to balancing air pressure in the case at high altitudes, making it easier to open in those environments. It lets air out while keeping the moisture out. This video will take you through the steps to replace the automatic purge valve on all Pelican storm cases. The tools and supplies you'll need to get the job done include a 7/64-inch hex key or a screwdriver with a 7/64-inch hex drive bit. Before you can install an automatic purge valve, you'll need to remove the old one. You can follow along with these steps. Put the case flat on a work table so that the lid is facing up. Open the lid to see the inside of the case. Locate the hex screw that fastens the automatic purge valve to the inside wall of the case. Hold the automatic purge valve and, using the hex key, unscrew it from within the case until it dislodges. Line up the new automatic purge valve with the empty hole and apply pressure until it is fully in. The ears of the automatic purge valve should be flush with the ribs of the case. Reinsert the screw from inside the case. Screw it in with the hex key clockwise until it is secured back in place. Please be sure to inspect the screw and automatic purge valve before finishing. Both should be inserted into the case straight and should fit flat on both sides of the case wall. There should be no gouges on the screw or the case. We hope this video has helped, but if you should run into any issues, please feel free to contact the Pelican customer service team at 800-473-5422.